Puis avec LOCI. LOCI, c'est Christian Gesque qui nous le présente.
Good morning to all. Today we would like to show you a quick preview of our upcoming product, the LOCI ML Studio. For those of you who might not know exactly what image classification is, imagine one of your field service agents needs information about a product and he can simply take a picture of it and gets all the information he needs in seconds. If you would like to create an image classification service today that empowers your employees to be super productive, you have to do a lot of work and need to know many tools. LOCI ML Studio lets you concentrate on your business ideas and takes care of all the heavy lifting. Let's have a quick look at our beta. In the first step, you have to create the categories you would like to classify. Afterwards, you can train your model with your images. When the training is done, you can use our APIs to classify images and use our hosted web service in your application. We are more than happy for any feedback. Get in contact if you want to know more and join the closed beta starting this summer.